Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM ZFE channel. In this quick and informative tutorial, I will show you how to sketch tools like a point, line, polyline, and rectangle in FreeCAD. You learn also the several ways to invoke these tools. The Sketcher Create Point tool creates a point, and there are several ways to invoke the tool. From top menu. In this sketch, I will show you the several ways to invoke this tool. Create point option from the menu. Right-click and elect the Create Point option. Click first letter G and then letter Y. The Sketcher Create Line tool creates a line, and there are several ways to invoke the tool. And follow the following example to understand about the several ways to invoke the line tool. The Sketcher Create Polyline tool creates a series of line and arc segments connected by their endpoints. There are several ways to invoke the tool. Click first letter G and then letter M. Sketch or create a rectangle tool creates a rectangle. The tool has 4 modes, 2 of which can also produce parallelograms. This rectangle starts from one corner plus the 2 sides called width and height. For this rectangle, first select the center and then one corner of the rectangle. For this type of rectangle, first select the position of the 2 diagonal corners of the rectangle and then the radius of the corner or fillet. As you see, here 3 dimensions means width, height, and radius of the rectangle required. There is also another option to create a rectangle. First, select the rectangle icon from the top menu. Now you will see a new window on the right side of screen. In this window, you can select the required rectangle parameters mode or shape. In the following examples, I will show you how to create a rectangle by changing the different parameters. Select the rectangle icon from the top menu. In this window, you can select the rectangle mode or parameter. In this sketch, you need to put the offset value additional to the width and the height dimensions. That's all for today. Please follow the other FreeCAD sketch tutorials. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.